Good morning.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I guess it's morning, isn't it? Is this Saturday? Is that what it is? Yeah. Adam, good to see you, Eddie. How you doing, buddy? So, I am the founder and director of the DAC Foundation, and that is a 501c3 charity for dogs. We help support rescues and shelters and pay veterinarian bills. How many of you have dogs or cats? Either way, Adam has a cat, I know. So normally it's about 55 to 60% of the people I'm in front of have pets.